Hello! We would like to present you a new tool that enhanced our tool database in our product release 2018.08. It is a type of barrel and it is called section barrel. This type of tool is used in milling application to create a high-quality surface. Concerning its geometry, it has a large radius convex section on its flanks and a blending radius to the tip and the top. To use this tool, you can go to the tool library, add a new tool, and select the barrel section. Here we can see the parameters that can be defined for this type of tool. The center of the convex section, it is not necessarily in the middle of the flute length, so that an asymmetric shape can be created. Thank you for your attention.